I'm back out here today and it's hot as can be, so I only plan on doing a couple things today, but you look up there, that's what I want to take care of. That tree, it's a leaner and then it's snapped at the top, and supposedly that little branch right there is what's holding it up. That little thing right there. But listening to you guys and taking my time and analyzing things, if I want to fall that guy as safe as can be, I'm going to try and fall this alder right here first, so that hopefully it won't get caught up, because I don't need a widowmaker stuck on a widowmaker. And I've done some pretty gnarly things, but I don't want to be that stupid. So let's take care of this guy, and then hopefully I can safely bring that guy down. Let's see if I can do it. Everywhere, but ideally I'd like to drop it that way. Again, with me, you never know where it will go. Most of the time I'm just happy that it makes it down safely, but I don't want it to get caught on any of those guys. So let's see if I could start today off on a successful note. And again, my favorite Husqvarna Power Axe. It's going to help me get the job done. I'm happy with that. I'm just gonna not really clean up, I just put it here in my brush pile. And then we'll try and figure out how to take that crazy thing down. So far, so good. Okay, as I've been analyzing this, what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna try and cut that little thing. I don't know if that's all that's holding it up, but if it is, we'll take care of that first. So that's what I'm going to start with. And thank goodness I have that other tree I can hide behind, because the split is right in front of it. Then I also have to think of a place to set the camera where it won't get hit if I'm successfully able to drop this. So let's see if I have any luck. Hopefully I do. Okay, hopefully this is, oh, I don't have the other end, do I? I was trying to get the whole tree in, because this right here is hit. And I don't think I can fit it all in there. It's 81, I just checked. I put my shirt on just because if anything flies off of this, I want any protection I can. Like if I had an umpire vest, I'd be rocking that right now. Before I even touch that, I want to put my hard hat on. Maybe I could trim that. Like again, I don't think people face as many odd tree issues as I do. But again, it's been neglected as long as I've been alive. Standing right here, it's kind of scary. Like I could push on it, but that scares me too. This is the only steel chainsaw I have. Just a bad angle, fudge. I just don't want to be under it. Part of me is thinking just get something on there and pull it, but again, I don't want to be in the front of this thing at all. And as easily as I can kick it, I'm thinking maybe it's putting its pressure on this. It's just crazy, really. Again, I do my best to not underestimate the power of these things. What is that stuff that scares me? Yeah, I don't think it's on there because this I can pick up. So it's got to be hung up on this tree. So yes, I'm going to kick it for a minute, guys. I'm going to find a rope or a chain and see if that'll work. I don't know if this rope is strong enough. It's the first one I saw, so I grabbed it. And again, I don't want to walk in front of that thing not knowing what it'll do. It's not a great rope. It's like a clothesline or something. So let's see if this will help at all. I see it moving. Do I just cut that thing? I only think that bottom part is being held up by the first half. I think the second part's still in the ground. So hold on, change of plans. I'm going to try and cut that branch, and then we'll cut the leaning part. So hold on. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go from that point of it and cut from the big part. And hopefully that'll finally bring it down, because these kind of things scare me. This tree is a wild cherry, so it's a lot stronger than the alders. So let's see if we can do it. finally down. Heck yeah. Gotta clean up. I cut the tree up. Sorry that when I finished cutting it that I was abrupt. It was just weird that the neighbors were sitting right there watching me. I've never had, besides my parents, never had anybody just sit there and watch me, and I just felt kind of awkward. So sorry that I just ended it abruptly and didn't say much. It's just, I had spectators. But I got it all cut up. I didn't want to, because it's still real hot. But I don't watch Thorne Bradley just why most women watch him. I watch him because I learn things. And that was a cherry tree hardwood. So I had to cut it while it was still green to make it a lot easier. It was going to be a lot more work if I waited till it was dried out. So I cut it up, got that done. I'm happy. I was able to fall 2 today safely. I didn't get hurt. My chainsaw didn't get hurt. And I'd like to come back in a couple days, but I don't think this heat is going to mellow out yet. But once the heat does decide to just chill out a little bit, I'll come back and don't know if I'm going to fall some more trees. Might take a break. Probably not, though. I love my Husqvarna Power Axe. Or I might bust out my little weed whacker brush cutter. I've only used it a couple times. But they both require like proper gear so I don't get hurt. So I just have to wait till it cools down, because safety never takes a day off. And for those of you that have watched, thank you. I appreciate all of you. Please give me a thumbs up, a subscribe. You don't have to watch them, just subscribe and I'll be elated. My numbers are slowly growing. I'd like to grow them a little more. But thanks again, guys. You're all awesome.